Hello, I'm in a 2009 Honda Ridgeline, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then over here you'll find your battery. This will have your positive terminal and your negative terminal, and you can always double check on the battery as well, because there'll be a plus sign by the positive and a minus sign by the negative. Then from here I would double check your terminals, make sure there's no corrosion built up, which you could clean off with a good brush or rag. And then I would make sure these are tight as well. If they're not tight, just tighten them up so they've got a good metal connection. And after that, with your jump box or with your jumper cables, take the metal clamps and then attach the metal clamp as best as you can for metal contact for your positive, and then the negative clamp to this negative. And if you're running this to another vehicle, make sure that the vehicle is turned on with the motor running, and you want your typically red metal connection running to the positive on the other vehicle, and then your negative running directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You never want to cross them by mistake, just because that could cause damage to your electronic systems, fuses, circuits, things like that. Once you've had them connected with a good metal connection for a few minutes, hopefully that's enough to get you started. If you've been trying that for quite a while and still having issues, you might need to replace this battery, which typically you can do just by loosening these terminals to remove them, loosening these support bars just so you can access this old battery, lift it out, place your new battery in, and then reconnect and tighten everything, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.